Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the channel. Hope you're all well. This is a video for a comment I had maybe a couple of months ago about doing like soft edge. So I thought I'd do maybe like two ways you can do it. You can do it one way where this is like soft foam, which is from J-Tape. I'll put a little picture of what it is. The one I'm using. So they have like a sticky strip in the middle, and it's just like a foamy sponge really strip. And so this is the one I'm using, J-Tape Soft Edge. All you do is just pull off how much you need. I found to try and, if I've ever done this, because if I'm honest, I do sort of just a roll edge off the tape. But this is good because it can sort of, you don't really have to do much, you just put it in and it sort of stops the overspray. But sometimes I put a bit of like here I am 2-inch tape just to stop it. So all you need to do is just stick the sticky side to where you want to soft edge, but you want the sticky bit just to be just inside the lip. So then when the paint goes into the jaw shut, you'll see it will just go just over the lip and not on the edge. So make sure the sticky part is in the middle between the lip and where you want to be, and make sure it doesn't touch when you close it. Don't make sure it doesn't touch the actual edge of the panels. So here is just a soft edge. Here I do it. So all I do is pinch one corner, and with the other hand you sort of just use it. See how I'm twisting it there? So you can make it one that's now making it bigger, and then you turn it the opposite direction, you can make it thinner, and obviously in the middle is where you want to be. You get sort of nice size. You don't want it too big because otherwise it's big. Obviously the more sort of overspray and lacquer will go into that sort of lip where you want a soft edge. You want to get it sort of quite small, but just into the middle, so it just loops around that edge and just sits nicely. So all you have to do is give it a little polish. Here I'm just saying, I'm sort of doing like a problems one. So when you're doing with the tape, what I've found is if there's too much tension in the tape, it will naturally sort of lift. I will zoom in a minute where I'll show you. So you sort of need to guide it around. So all you need to do is you just release that pressure and just literally let it guide it round. And I found that's the easiest way of doing it. Let it guide round. You sort of twist and turn it, so which way you want to go. And yeah, just tap it down really. There's different ways of doing this. I think there might be some other ways of doing it. Like J-Tape are quite a good make for different stuff and different foams. There is one which has got like a two-sided with like a sticky strip again, but you pull it off. It's like a double-sided tape sort of thing. It's all, yeah, I've used that a couple of times, but that's quite good if you want to use like if you've got like a swage line, if you ever need to do like off a swage line, that's quite a good tape. But the foam is good if you sort of not got much practice with the soft edge with a tape. And to be fair, it's probably quicker because you just put it off the sort of roll and put it in. And sometimes if you get it nice, you can just put that foam bit, close the door or whatever sort of panel you're doing between, and it will actually just stop the overspray as well. So it saves on like materials and like paper, or sometimes I just do 2-inch tape. Either way, it's more materials, I suppose. But the more you do it, the more you sort of find your way. I've just always, because I have tape in my hand and the box is sort of, I don't know, a 30-second walk. So I just use tape, and yeah, so. But here, especially around the corners, this panel is a bit of a twisty, sort of comes like outverts. So you probably won't be able to do this in one hit. So I always do, I guide it round without tension, and wherever it falls, that's where I sort of rip a bit off and just do small bits and guide it round to get that curve. You want to make sure you go with the curve. If you sort of just stick it and do a straight line, then you could come across like edges, or it not getting around that edge enough, and then you'll sort of see like a dry patch. Or so here, like on that corner, I sort of pinch that edge and do like a bit of a right angle, sort of like a kink. So that helps. And just to sort of, what you want to do is when you rub your hand across it and the panel, I think I've done it earlier, I felt it, you can just feel like the lip of the tape. And that's sort of a good gauge to sort of, like, it's high enough to sort of let it to not touch anything, but it's good enough of a gap so it will just sit round. I have found, so here I'm just using some sort of 18-inch brown paper just to stop overspray really. There's obviously different ways, there's paper, we can use 2-inch or the foam. But yeah, so whenever you, because sometimes it doesn't go right, I found like a 3000 Trizac. If you still feel like an edge, obviously once it's all fully baked off and dried and cooled down and ready to polish, I find just wetting down a bit of a 3000 and just going over the edge inside the shut is perfect. And then just a quick polish up, it goes away. Hope this was helpful. It's a bit of a short one. Hopefully it didn't drag out and I explained it well enough. So this was just a little mask up. I thought I'd just finish off there while I babble on. Yeah, hopefully I've explained it all right. If not, comment below. Tell me if I have or not, or whatever ways you do. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you comment, like, subscribe, be awesome. So I haven't posted much recently. Sort of had a bit of a break from it. I sort of try and do it when I want to do videos when I enjoy doing a video and not just posting. I went through a stage of just posting, but I want to enjoy it and keep it going, longevity and things. So yeah, hope you like it. Hope you got to this far of the video. And yeah, see you soon. Take care. Bye.